Hi, this is Jeff Miller, the headphone writer here at Crutchfield. I'm here to talk about the Bose QuietComfort 45 wireless noise canceling headphones. This is the latest in Bose's iconic noise canceling headphones, which are a staple in airports and home offices and offices all around. You'll notice they look a lot like the previous generation QuietComfort 35s, one of our best sellers. Bose decided not to reinvent the wheel. They've got the same tried and true design, but they've made some key improvements. That includes better Bluetooth, better battery life, an awareness button, and somehow even better noise cancellation. I gave them a try for about 2 weeks before they were released, and they fit right into a new hybrid office life where I work from home a couple days a week and come into the office once or twice a week. So let's jump right into the headline feature, the noise cancellation. It's kind of unbelievable that Bose continues to improve their noise canceling chops with every new release. It uses a series of built-in microphones to sense the outside world and then kind of react in real time. The 45s give you a blanket of quiet that might be the best in the business right now. The QuietComfort 35s were voted one of our 5 most comfortable headphones when we did our headphone testing a few years back. You would think there wouldn't be much to improve on there, but to me, I think that the 45s are actually a little bit more comfortable. The ear cups are slightly smaller, but I feel like the fit overall is even more relaxed and even lighter. So they really kind of double down on everything you'd expect from a set of Bose headphones. Since the QC 35s were released, there's been a major improvement in Bluetooth connectivity, and these actually have Bluetooth 5.1 built in. That will give you a stronger, more reliable connection to your device. I was actually able to leave my phone on my desk and walk around my basement pretty freely, even go upstairs a couple times before there were any dropouts. Sometimes there were no dropouts, even when I was upstairs. There's also multi-point connection, so when I'm working from home, I can connect it to my work laptop and also my phone. So like if I'm listening to music and all of a sudden it's time to jump on a Zoom call, I can just switch right over and it's a press of a button versus like trying to repair and all that kind of stuff. Battery life is better, 24 hours. I wore them for about a week before I had to recharge them. It comes with a USB-C charging cable. It gives you kind of a quicker charge. In fact, if you recharge them for 15 minutes, you get about 3 hours of listening with noise canceling. They do include a listening cable, so if you're away from an outlet or you don't want to use the noise cancellation, you can just plug in with the 3.5 mini plug cable. Distinction between these and the Bose noise canceling 700s that were released a while back, those have a bunch of interactive controls, touch controls, and there's all these things you can do with the app. These are almost like kind of the beauty and the simplicity. There's not like a ton of different noise cancellation settings. You don't have touch controls, but it does have the basic buttons that do the stuff that you need to do, like answer a call, adjust the volume, control the track. And then there's also an aware button. So if you're out and about or you're in a situation, somebody's trying to get your attention, you need to listen to them, you click that aware button, it'll turn off the noise canceling circuitry and use the mics to pick up the external sounds. So you can keep the headphones on and be better aware of your surroundings. If you use your headphones to make or take calls, the phone call quality is pretty good. I used them outside in kind of a breezy area with a lot of traffic, and my wife could hear me clearly, I could hear her clearly, so they work well for that too. So yeah, and then other than that, it's sort of that familiar, comfortable, relaxed Bose feel. That's the fit, that's the quiet, and then also the sound. It's real laid back, large soundstage, layered. You kind of ease into it. So that's the Bose QC 45s, very familiar look and feel, but some key improvements for even more premium experience. If you have any questions about these or any other headphones, then contact us here at Crutchfield.